visiting Mars.
Hey there, stargazers. I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silvaplaw Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
And I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory. We're here to help you find your way around the sky. The planet Mars will soon be back in the nighttime sky and looking big, bright, and beautiful.
And red.
Exactly.
Mars will be 35 million miles from Earth on July 27th, and it hasn't been this close since 2003.
Currently, we have several unmanned spacecraft circling around Mars and 2 rovers rolling on Mars. So it got us thinking, what would it be like to visit Mars up close?
In person.
So this week, we'll show you where to find Mars in the earthly sky and then take you on a journey across millions of miles to the red planet itself. Let's go. Okay, we have our sky set up for July 8th facing southeast at 10:30 p.m. Hey, wait a second, I don't see Mars.
That's true, but as a consolation prize, you can find the planet Saturn.
Awesome. Okay, I know this show is supposed to be about Mars, but while you're planet gazing, Saturn will look like an ordinary, non-blinking yellow star. If you point a telescope at it, though, it looks amazing with the rings and several moons.
Now, if we stay up a little later and advance our time to 10:45, 11 p.m., 11:15, and finally 11:30, we can see a big, bright, reddish light clear the horizon.
That is Mars. It will be super easy to identify since it will be suspiciously bright.
Now, I want to get us to July 27th when Mars will appear brightest in the sky. If we advance time day by day, we will see Mars and Saturn get higher each night.
On July 24th, the moon slides over next to Saturn, and then by July 27th, we'll have a full moon next to stunning Mars.
That will be quite a sight.
So now comes the fun part. Let's blast off for Mars and take you in for a closer look. Up, up, and away!
At its closest, Mars will be about 35 million miles from Earth on July 27th.
It normally takes a rocket about 6 to 7 months to travel from Earth to Mars, but we'll get you there in a few seconds.
As we approach the red planet, we'll first notice that it's not super red. It looks more orange, brown, pink, and rusty. And that's because there is a lot of iron in those rocks, and they've actually rusted over time.
The bright white areas are the polar ice caps. There's lots of dry ice around the Martian poles, but also a fair amount of water ice. Maybe we can chip off a few pieces if we get thirsty.
Before we land, let's fly by Mars's 2 moons. First up is Deimos, the smaller one. It's less than 8 miles across and it circles the planet every 30 hours.
Then we come to the larger moon Phobos. It's still a very small moon, only about 14 miles wide. Despite being covered in craters, Phobos might make a great base of operations for future manned missions.
It could be a stopover or serve as an orbiting observatory to watch the planet more closely.
Someday, astronauts may shuttle down to Mars and back from this little moon. We made it! We're the first humans to reach the surface of Mars!
And what a view! Most of Mars looks like a dry, desolate orange desert with rocks strewn about and deep craters. Any water on Mars is hidden below the ground or is frozen in the ice caps. But you can also find tall mountains like Olympus Mons, which is 3 times taller than any mountain on Earth, and deep valleys like Valles Marineris, which is 2,500 miles long and 5 times deeper than the Grand Canyon.
Plus, there's 2 rovers still rolling on Mars. Look, there's Curiosity climbing up Mount Sharp. Hey, Curiosity! We may be decades away from actually sending humans to Mars, but one can always dream. So, this week, look for Mars in the southeastern sky after 11:30 p.m.
And when you find it, dream about taking a journey to the red planet.
You can visit its 2 moons and kick up some red Martian dust.
It's all there when you keep looking up.